Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Exodus in Star Glitcher Revitalized. To begin, understand that Exodus is a special cosmetic skin found within the game's shop. You will need to gather a specific amount of in-game currency, called orbs, to make this purchase. We will now go over the process of earning these orbs and then acquiring your desired skin, making your character truly stand out. To acquire the necessary orbs, focus on defeating bosses. You can summon bosses at the boss man location. For instance, a normal orb boss usually rewards you with 100 orbs upon defeat. Engaging with higher-tier bosses will yield even greater amounts of this valuable currency, so choose your battles wisely to maximize your earnings. Once you have accumulated enough orbs, your next step is to visit the in-game shop. This shop is conveniently located within the safe zone of the game world. Upon entering the shop, you will need to navigate to the dedicated skins section. Here, you will find Exodus displayed alongside other cosmetic items, ready for purchase. With your orbs ready and the shop open, simply select the Exodus skin from the available options. The game will prompt you to confirm your purchase, deducting the required orbs from your balance. After confirmation, Exodus will be instantly added to your inventory. You can then equip and enjoy your new, powerful cosmetic skin in Star Glitcher Revitalized.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.